Welcome to the channel Binpipe School. I am Bijayalakshmi. I hope all of you are doing fine. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about light. Now, before telling more about light, about the concepts and the refraction phenomena, I would try to introduce this lesson with a brief history. That would make the chapter more interesting. And now let's go back to the history of light.
Over the ages, our view of light has changed quite dramatically. Actually, the definition, the concept of light that we know today was not the same ages before. The first real theory of light came from the Greeks, but before that, Egyptians had a thought that light is emitted from Ra, the sun god, when his eyes are open, and night rules once it gets closed. Then came the theories from Greek philosophers. Pythagoras proposed that vision resulted from light rays emerging from a person's eye and striking object. Then this theory was opposed by Epicurus. He said that light rays were produced by objects which then traveled to the eyes. These ideas were taken by Arab scholars and developed the geometrical optics. Now, this geometrical concept applied to mirrors, lenses, prisms. Ibn al-Haytham, who lived in present-day Iraq between 1965 AD to 1039 AD, identified the optical components of human eye and even correctly described vision as a process involving bouncing of light rays from objects to a person's eye. Now, by 17th century, scientists from Europe started thinking differently about light. One of the most eloquent theory of light came from Christian Huygens. In 1690, he published his treatise on light, where he described that light from luminous body caused series of waves or vibrations. Those waves advanced forward until they encounter an object. If the object is eye, then the waves stimulate vision. Now, this theory wasn't embraced by everyone. Newton was one of them. He came with another theory where he called light as particle or corpuscle. And this theory says that light consists of very tiny particles called corpuscles. These corpuscles on emission form the source of light that travel in straight line and has velocity. When these particles enter the eye, they produce sensation of sight. Even the corpuscle of different colors have different sizes. And that is the theory that gave way to the concept of a reflecting surface or reflection, and even the refraction of light. Now, from this definition, we came to know that light was behaved as particle as well as behave as waves according to Huygens, and these waves generated smaller waves called as wavelets. Now, when we describe light as a ray, its phenomena such as reflection, refraction, scattering of light, bouncing of light obeys the laws of reflection. Incident ray is equal to reflected ray. Now, after double slit experiment suggested by Thomas Young, wave theory of light came into limelight. Even Maxwell formulated the theory of electromagnetism, and he described light as a very special kind of wave composed of electric and magnetic field. Now, as electromagnetic radiations do not need a medium to travel, so light also was one of them. So we can say that light also behaved as particle as well as light behave as waves. So here the question is, now what do we should imagine light as? So how to imagine the wave particle duality? So somewhere we have a concept of dual nature of light, where light behaved as particle as well as light behaved as wave, and that's why there was the Nobel winner physicist William Bragg said that light behaves like waves on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, like particles on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and like nothing on Sundays. So, but as a joke, this was the definition of light given by him, and this should not be. Now you have to decide the exact definition of light. Write your answers in the comment section and let me know how it was. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Now if you like this video, please give a like, share it among your friends, and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. And I want to thank all of you, those who have subscribed, and please subscribe the channel as a mark of encouragement and wait for the next video. Thank you.